Hey guys, welcome back to Keep Austin Seared. Today we are making these summery, bright, delicious limoncello cookies. They are really simple and quick to put together. They're called limoncello cookies because they taste like limoncello, but there's no actual limoncello in the cookies, so there's no specialized ingredients. You probably have everything you need to make these already in your pantry. So let's get started. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350 before we get started. We're gonna start by mixing together our butter and our sugar. We soften the butter so it should be easy to mix in. Okay, we're going to stop it now so we can add in our egg. We're going to add in our extract now. We're going to start with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now our lemon. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons. I'm going to add in the flour a few spoonfuls at a time so that it gets mixed evenly and isn't clumpy. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add in our baking soda and our baking powder. Now our 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, this is ready to go. We're going to take our dough and we're going to roll it into about 1-inch balls, and we're going to put it down on a cookie sheet that is lined with parchment paper. About like that. Put them probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches apart. I am out of space on my cookie sheet, so I'm going to do a batch of 12 at a time. It'll make more than that though. It should make 18 to 20 probably. We'll go ahead and get these in the oven though. Okay, these are going to be in the oven for about 10 minutes. What should we do for those 10 minutes? These smell delicious. Now to finish these off, we're going to dust a little bit of powdered sugar over the top. Okay, let's see how they turned out. These are like sunshine in cookie form. They're so just sweet. They taste kind of light and just buttery. They stay soft and chewy, which is one of my favorite things about this recipe. So if you're taking them to a potluck or a picnic or something like that, they're gonna stay soft. You saw how simple this is, so go make these, let me know how they turn out, and happy summer, y'all.